In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down. And when you're ready, select System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Manage On-Screen Keyboards. Following that, select the Gboard over here, and last but not least, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on Switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!